Hello everyone! By now you know me. I am Dr. Becker. Today I want to remind you about the long journey we've taken together. Remember how 3 years ago I shared a crazy idea? A promise to bring AI to investing? This was long before AI became a buzz, long before ChatGPT and DALL-E. We spoke about the dream of fully automating investing and our vision to predict market movements by modeling how professional traders do it. We set out to make a repeatable scientific methodology to predict the markets. And this was uncharted territory. While we were experts in algorithmic trading, experts in AI, the idea of building scientific methodology backed by AI to make the platform for market predictions, this was our dream. This was an audacious goal. There was no playbook for this, and there was no shortage of skeptics about whether this is even possible and about whether markets are actually predictable. To be honest, we too were both excited and skeptical to go to this uncharted territory. But you, DAISY community, believed and supported us. In Dubai, Japan, Budapest, our idea was new. It was 100% innovative. This was about breakthrough technology and groundbreaking applications. And we embarked on this mission together. We met on videos as part of the academy to build common language. We interacted on live Zooms where I updated you on the progress. We met face-to-face in conferences to hear and address your questions. We kept you informed about our progress, and you were there for 3 years. For 3 years, we were building algo trading infrastructure. It included the Algo Trading Strategy Studio, our order execution engine, the risk control and money management modules, and algo trading monitoring and administration tools. But most importantly, we were building AI tools for market prediction and trading strategies. Over the years, I tried to explain these very complex challenges in different ways so we could all understand. We all understood the challenge behind the market prediction when in Budapest we played market game. Remember when as a crowd we tried to predict the market? And we experienced how we can recognize market patterns and use them? How our decision to buy and sell are affected by certain price levels? How sometimes we can guess with 100% accuracy what will happen next? And how sometimes we have no clue whatsoever. There are just a sample of these things that impact the market prediction. So the big question we set out to answer was how we can know each market stimulus. There are simply hundreds of them. And how then we can evaluate each one of them and weight them one against the other. This has been my focus since 2012, as I showed you in Dubai. I looked at these pages and I tried to bring them alive. For about half a year, I was looking at them from all different angles, and I realized that actually what I'm trying to do is not the algorithms, it's not this trading strategy. I'm trying to do AI experts. It seems like an unsolvable problem unless we have some scientific, technical approach. But thanks to you, with the community's support, we built a team and technology to tackle this. We needed to decide on methodology that resulted in 2 white papers, dozens of tech releases, tens of AI hypotheses, and billions of terabytes of data. We grew the company from a handful of developers to 40+ dedicated developers. And what a team! A team with mission. Team with a smooth collaboration of traders, quants, developers, product, and QA. So here how it works. Let's start with fundamentals. There is a long list of stimulus that affects asset, Bitcoin for example, value. As basic as news, should we pay attention to regulation SEC news or to interest rate Fed news? To which ones? This is a platform that we built to address the question. It ingests all the news from all available sources, then it filters, prioritizes, classifies, and weights them in. On the left, you can see all the fundamental themes of the Bitcoin with highlights of their relevancy. In the middle, you can see the current most relevant news, while on the right, the expected changes in value and the news. Imagine trying to make sense of all the news stimulus, like the Twitter sphere, Reddit, Bloomberg, regulatory announcement, and economic reports. But once it has been digested and gone through our AI platform, the patterns start to be uncovered. The stimulus is clear. What to focus on is evident. So during the entire week of news and fundamental bombardment, our system only identified 5 points of interest. Here they are. This is the power of AI to focus our attention on the relevant stimulus. This is powerful. But as we've mentioned, along the way, fundamental analysis, including news, is an important part of analysis. However, there are parts which play typically a larger role. Specifically, in digital assets like Bitcoin, the role of price action is significant. And this is how our AI platform assesses the hundreds of different price action stimulus we see here. More than 200 stimulus are being analyzed and prioritized. For example, RS lines, market states, signal detection. For example, market state. They help us to understand the current market trend. This sets the general context and enables the rest of the AI modules to focus on localized movement. This context provides an all-weather platform, one that is durable through boom, bust, and flash periods. And now let's look at one of the most commonly used approaches and see the power that the AI brings to it. Here we're talking about the commonly known resistance support lines. You can see that AI is able to create them on the go and much more accurately than even a human would. This power of real-time creation is just one of the 200 AI modules, so each one of these modules collaborates to understand the market. But 200 competing voices do not make for clear market prediction. This is the boldest thing that we set out to create, a platform that synthesizes the hundreds of different stimulus into one compelling view of market prediction. This was what our white paper was about. And here it is. Let me show you a few live examples. Here we're seeing the market bouncing around, with each individual stimulus fighting each other. Will the market rise? Will it fall? When you look over hundreds of stimulus, you will be paralyzed. But our platform can take the guesswork out of it. Our platform called upon 88 of our more than 200 AI modules, and some of them came with clearer indicators. 88 signals from use to bar chart to resistance support. And our system identified which of the 88 voices were most important. And we saw 8 that had a strong claim after being weighted. It was the power of this to create compelling and definitive prediction. Using AI modules of areas of values, of different resolution, resistance support lines, and market states, we made this prediction. And then, just a few hours later, other AI modules predicted a bounce, and they collaborated to be right again, and on and on. The incredible ingestion, filtration, weighting, and application of more than 200 stimuli to create a definitive market prediction in high-risk, high-return markets. This is our vision, and this is our platform. We have successfully completed the development. Like the other AI breakthroughs of our generation, ChatGPT, DALL-E, and DAISY. Congrats to you and to the team. This is an incredible accomplishment. It matches our bold goal we stated 3 years ago. We have realized our vision, 3 years in the making. We have delivered our promise of creating AI-powered investing, unlocking high-risk, high-return alpha. Now we're taking this forward to institutional investors. Now we're taking this to other asset classes and building our track record there. But for now, let's enjoy this accomplishment. This is ours. You as our investor, as our community, have helped us achieve a remarkable technological breakthrough. Let's celebrate and thank you.